Is your Honda Accord key fob not working? Replacing the battery yourself is a simple fix. This video covers models from 2013 to 2020. You'll need a CR2032 battery, easily found online or at auto parts stores for under $5, and a small flathead screwdriver. First, locate the notch on the back of the key fob. Gently pry it open using the screwdriver. Some models from 2018-2020 have a tighter latch. Remove the old battery, noting which side faces up, the positive side. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the same orientation. Snap the case back together securely. Test the remote from about 10 to 20 feet away from your car, checking lock, unlock, and the panic button. This DIY fix avoids dealership fees, saving you $50 to $100. Still not working? If the remote doesn't respond, check for corroded battery contacts inside the fob. Clean gently with rubbing alcohol. Ensure you're using the correct battery, CR2032, not CR2025. Incorrect batteries can cause intermittent issues. Avoid using sharp metal tools to prevent short-circuiting. A plastic pry tool is recommended to prevent scratching the key fob. Consider using rechargeable CR2032 batteries for a more eco-friendly option. If problems persist, it could indicate a faulty receiver module or require key fob reprogramming by a Honda dealer. Expert opinions and statistics show 70% of Honda owners opt for DIY battery replacement, citing cost savings and convenience. Remember, annual checks to prevent lockouts.